The first point of connection in Adho Mukha Svanasana is your hands. How do you place your hands on the mat? You have to make sure your fingers are separated and pressing equally into the floor, and try and take your legs a little more backward. So feel very strongly with your hands on the mat. Now tuck your toes. When you tuck your toes, make sure you engage your navel. So you're not letting your stomach loose, you're going to suck your stomach inside as much as you can, making infinite space between your stomach and your thighs. Now you're going to tuck your toes and slowly lift yourself up. When you lift yourself up, your focus is to lift your hips back and up. So lengthening your spine. Now try and keep your heels up and just imagine sending your hips higher up to the sky. At the same time, you're going to suck your stomach inside. So first let your body get used to this position. Now drop your head down completely, relax your head. Do not bend your elbows, straighten your arms. Now slowly from here, if you're comfortable, just drop your heels slightly down. If your calf is tight, if your hamstring is tight, you cannot actually touch the floor with your heels, but that is okay. You have to try and keep your knees straight and keep sending your hips. That is your first focus. Stay here as long as you can. Breathe deep and long. Now, when you're comfortable, without bending your knees, without dropping your hips, without rounding your back, keeping that position of your spine completely straight, you're going to press your heels into the floor. So this looks like a V-shaped position. So don't squeeze your arms to your ears. Try and rotate your shoulders slightly outside and drop your head completely relaxed in. Now suck your navel in, lengthen your spine. And we stay here for 5 breaths. My arms are firmly rooted, my legs are touching the floor, my heel is pressing onto the mat. I'm trying to tighten my quads muscles here. So you're going to tighten, squeeze your quadriceps in and squeeze your stomach inside, creating a lot of space between your stomach and your thighs. Slowly lift your heels up. Again, send your hips up to the sky and rotate your shoulders out and relax here. Feel your chest open. Breathe in your chest. Draw your navel in. Now slowly, again go back to downward dog. You feel an immense stretch in your calf, immense stretch in your hamstrings, and your whole body starts working. After a few breaths, you lift your heels, drop your knee down, point your toes back, push your hips down, and slowly come down to child's pose.
Right hand should be in Vishnu Mudra. For Vishnu Mudra, the first 2 fingers are bent towards the base of the spine. The thumb is kept outwards. The left hand is kept in Chin Mudra. You can place the index finger at the base of your thumb, or you can place it at the tip of your thumb. These 2 are kept at knee level. I'm going to now begin by placing my right thumb on my right nostril. Anuloma Viloma always begins with the left nostril. There is no counting for pregnant women. You inhale till you're comfortable. Block the left nostril and exhale right. Inhale through the right. Block right, exhale left. This is 1 round of Anuloma Viloma. You can practice how many ever rounds you want till you are comfortable. Minimum is 6 rounds. Please do not practice with any counts or with any holds.
Fish pose is to stretch both your legs forward really nice. You're going to lie down on your back, but you need support, right? So for that, you're going to place both your elbows right at the back. By placing the elbows down to the mat, open your heart first as you inhale. And slowly as you exhale, drop the crown of the head all the way down to the mat. Now from here, if you cannot reach the floor, you can always adjust by walking through your elbows and stay here for a couple of deep breaths. So it opens up your heart, the neck and the crown chakra. And to release the posture, just put the pressure back to the elbows. Inhale up and relax.
Ustrasana, camel pose. Start with placing the hand on the hip and gently arch back. Stabilize your shoulder blades and slowly with control release your palms of your hip and try to reach for your heels. Use your back muscles to hold the posture, keeping your butt muscles tight. Take slow 5 deep breaths in this position. Now inhale, slowly place your hand on the hip, use your abdominal muscles and come back to the starting position. Rest on your heels, bring your forehead down and relax in child's pose.
And from Sarvangasana, moving on to Halasana, you need a lot of core strength here. So just take your time, keep yourself comfortable and without bending your legs here, inhale deeply and as you exhale, just push your hips down and bring your legs all the way up above your head. So take your time, do not rush into the posture, keep exhaling, use your core. Engage your core muscles and bring your leg all the way over your head. And now your hands can get interlocked here and bring it all the way down. Strengthening your shoulders here and stretching your legs all the way back. You can feel my neck muscles and my shoulder muscles getting strong here. Keep your breath really normal. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And to release the posture, just slowly bring your arms back. Slowly bringing your legs back to Viparita Karni, taking your legs one by one. And to release, gently bend your knees and bring yourself down. Take it really slow and nice. And relax your legs in Shavasana.